I gotta go on a rescue mission. There's some people stuck out at the Napanee ATV park. 2 bikes, they're both stuck. Of course, when he got a hold of me, I wasn't even home. I was picking this thing up like almost 2 hours drive away. Well, that didn't work. I'll head over to the ATV park and I'll go find them, and hopefully it's an easy extraction. Doesn't that look awesome? Operation Rescue Mission is a go. Okay, here we go. All right, everybody, I'm making my way towards the rescue mission area. Just let me set the stage for a second. It's 2 bikes. I met them a few months ago. Austin is his name, and he has a Polaris. He's from out of town, a few hours away out of town. So he's been here once before. I gave him a couple spots to go. Turns out he got stuck, then the other bike got stuck. They had been there for a few hours. Okay, here's the situation. We got 2 bikes in front of each other, and we're gonna work it back towards the easiest terrain. Oh, you're in this one? Yeah, that's bad. Oh man, I'm sorry it took so long, but...
No worries. We're on our Canada Day weekend anyway.
Well, cool. Okay. So let's see if we can get this out. Set this somewhere. Try to get you to come work the winch.
Okay.
Not a big deal, I'm just on the ruts here. We gotta get this out, or we're really screwed. Well, the thing that we didn't want to happen happened. We got the Renegade stuck on the ruts. We just can't get out. But we got the 650 out. We'll need a quick tug to get this out, and then we can get the 850 unstuck, which is over there. I'm quite confident that's going to be not a problem.
It'll be okay.
It should be okay. Oh, I can't see out of this thing. We're a little sharp of an angle. That's just bushes right there. This is why I was concerned about going forward. This is just the warm-up for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Let's head her home, shall we? This way. Yeah, this isn't the way I wanted to go.
Why not keep the energy going and watch this one right here? I'll see you in the next one.